Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another video. आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ पाकिस्तान डोमेस्टिक अफेयर्स के MCQs शेयर करने जा रही हूँ. So let's get started. The defense budget has been set at PKR- in the federal budget 2020 to 2021. The correct answer is B, 1.3 trillion. What is called the solar eclipse on 21 June 2020 in Pakistan? Ring of Fire. Who was behind the Karachi Stock Exchange attack on 29 June 2020? Balochistan Liberation Army. Which of the following app has temporarily banned by PTA on 1st July 2020? PUBG. The Asia Pacific Group on Money Laundering has placed Pakistan on its enhanced monitoring list for Daesh on 23 August 2019. 1 year. The 20th Corps Commanders Conference of Pakistan Army held on 2nd April. Who is appointed as a new ICC Chief Executive on 1st April 2019? Manu Sahni. Name the Pakistani-Canadian scientist who makes historic invention on human brain chips in March 2019. Dr. Naveed Syed. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's Daesh death anniversary was observed on 4th April 2019. 40th. Which division led the 72nd Punjab Games 2019 medals table? Lahore. Name the person who made history in Punjab Games 2019 by winning 6 gold medals. Azlan Khan. World Health Day to be observed on 2019. 7 April. Polio virus is reported in how many cities of Pakistan in Feb 2019? 10 cities. Who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to UK? Mr. Nafis Zakaria. In Pakistan, first polio case of 2019 was reported in Bajaur. Approximate number of cancer cases yearly reported in Pakistan is 1,48,000. Which provincial police of Pakistan has launched the mobile app with the name of Police for You? Sindh Police. Government of KPK approved $1 million to establish the first female youth club in Peshawar. 400. Who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to Morocco, February 2019? Hamid Asghar Khan. Who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to Serbia, February 2019? Shahryar Akbar Khan. Who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to Havana, Cuba? Sahibzada Ahmed Khan. Begum Nahid passed away in London on 25 January 2019. She was the wife of which former president of Pakistan? Iskandar Mirza. Which state-owned organization of Pakistan launched Clean, Green and Behave Good campaign on Feb 1, 2019? Pakistan Railway. Punjab government has constituted a Daesh special medical board for examination or management of the health of former PM Nawaz Sharif. 6 members. Which of the following KPK minister has welcomed a Chinese national to the path of Islam and guided him to recite Kalma? Amjad Ali. Pakistan government auctioned a bat and ball signed by Daesh at the dam fundraising campaign in South Africa to raise funds for the construction of Damer Bhasha and Muhammad dams. Imran Khan. The 8th Regional Organization for the Protection of Marine Environment Sea Area Hydrographic Commission RSAHC meeting is being hosted by Pakistan Navy at Islamabad from 18th February 2019 to 20th February 2019. Sharmeen Obaid Chinois, which movie nominated at NAMIC Awards 2019? Student athlete. Saudi Arabia Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is dash foreigner who received Nishane-Pakistan. 23. Saudi Arabia Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman conferred by which Pakistani award during his visit to Pakistan in Feb 2019? Nishane-Pakistan. Saudi Arabia Crown Prince conferred Nishane-Pakistan by on the visit to Pakistan in February 2019. President of Pakistan. What were remarks of FATF's Asia Pacific Group about Pakistan in recently meeting of FATF? Satisfied. Saudi Arabia Crown Prince conferred Nishane-Pakistan in dash on visit to Pakistan in February 2019. President House. Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia landed on which airbase while visiting to Pakistan? Nur Khan Air Base. Amman drill held regularly after 2 years. First Amman drill was conducted by Pakistan was in 2007. Amman 2019 multinational naval exercise hosted by Pakistan from 8 February to 12 February. Lahore Zoo celebrated World Pangolin Day on 16 February 2019. Fourth edition of PSL began in UAE on 14 February 2019. Pakistani Women Day observed on 12 February 2019. When Finance Minister Asad Umar presented the third Finance Bill 2018-19 mini budget in the National Assembly, 23rd January 2019. Election Commission Pakistan suspended membership of dash lawmakers on 16th January 2019. 332. Google Doodle paid homage to first Pakistani captain Hafiz Kardar on his dash birthday on 17th January 2019. 94th. Justice Asif Saeed Khosa took oath as Chief Justice of Pakistan on 18th January 2019. Justice Asif Saeed Khosa is dash Chief Justice of Pakistan. 26th. Literacy rate of Pakistan in 2010, 56%. And the literacy rate of Pakistan in 2021 is 62.3%. The tune composed by Chagla finally approved for the national anthem is June 1954. Which lady has become the fastest female athlete of Pakistan on 4th January 2018? Sahibe Asra. Supreme Court ended which case against General Musharraf and Zardari on 4th January 2019? NRO, National Reconciliation Ordinance. On his visit to Turkey on 4th January 2019, PM Imran Khan visited Mausoleum of Ghazi Mustafa Kemal Ataturk in Ankara. Pakistan signed a prisoner transfer pact with which country on 27 December 2018? UK. First Lady Heart Surgeon of Pakistan dash was dead on 27 December 2018. Dr. Mehnaz Mari. Ehtisab Commission Bill 2018 was passed by which Provincial Assembly on 29 December 2018? KPK. Construction of Muhammad Dam will be started from March 2019. Pakistan first ever ice hockey match played between Pakistan Air Force and GB Scouts. Pakistan first ever ice hockey match played on 29 December 2018. Pakistan first sleeper bus service launched on 30th December 2018. Urdu critic writer Dr. Salim Akhtar passed away on 30th December 2018. Only Pakistani women cricket player picked for ICC Women ODI Team of the Year 2018. Sana Mir. Death anniversary of Benazir Bhutto is being observed on 27th December 2018. 11th. Founding member of Pakistan women cricket team died in December 2018. Sharmeen Khan. 13th. The Triangular Initiative meeting held at in December 2018. Islamabad. Former PM Nawaz Sharif sentenced to jail in Al-Aziz reference for 7 years. For what reason former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif sentenced to jail in 2018? Al-Azizia reference. According to recent 2018 report compiled by Education Management Information System, but % girls quit primary schools in tribal districts of Pakistan. 79%. Current advisor to Prime Minister Imran Khan on Parliamentary Affairs is Ali Muhammad Khan. Forbes has named Pakistan amongst its coolest places to go for travel in 2019. Top 10. Nawaz Sharif sentenced with total fine in Al-Azizia reference on December 24, 2018. $25 million. Which province replaced vehicle registration book smart card in December 2018? Punjab. Who is the current chairman of Sindh Public Service Commission? Noor Mohammad Jadmani. The Asian Development Bank has agreed to provide rupees for the construction of Nolong Dam in Balochistan, 26.6 billion. Pakistan plans to send first astronaut to space in 2022. Jinnah Award 2018 presented to which artist and social worker on 18 December 2018? Surya Anwar. Kos attended National Day parade of which country on 18 December 2018? Qatar. Pakistan became largest country in donkey population in December 2018. Third. Which assembly passed Child Protection and Welfare Bill on 18 December 2018? KPK. Which country announced to launch its flight operations in Pakistan after 10 years on 17 December 2018? British. Google paid homage to which Pakistani cricket player on his 84th birthday 21st December 2018? Hanif Muhammad. Who bought the 6th team of Pakistan Super League? Ali Tareen. PM House of Pakistan has been converted into on 21st December 2018. Islamabad National University. The first province to hold local government election is Balochistan. General Zubair Hayat is dash chairman of Joint Chief of Staff Committee, December 2018. 16. Current chairman of Joint Chief of Staff Committee, General Zubair Hayat. Chambeli was elected as National Flower of Pakistan in 1961. First Foreign Minister of Pakistan was Sir Muhammad Zafarullah. According to Hanway Passport Index 2018, Pakistani passport has visa-free access to how many countries? 33. Which well-known personality of Pakistan clicked stitching Ghilaf-e-Kaaba with gold threads on 14 December 2018? Dr. Arif Alvi, President of Pakistan. PTCL won Best Asian Operator Award 2018 in UAE. On 13 December 2018, PTCL won Dash Award Best Asian Operator. On 10 December 2018, Chief Justice of Pakistan inaugurated the building of the Supreme Court's registry in Quetta. Pakistan will host International Kabaddi Tournament from January 3 to 7 in which of the following cities? Faisalabad, Iqbal Stadium. USAID WAPDA signed Dash implementation for Mangla refurbishment on 12 December 2018, $78 million. On 12 December 2018, President of Pakistan met head of which country? Saudi Arabia. Most Googled person in Pakistan during 2018? Bushra Bibi, wife of Imran Khan. Third international marathon race was held in Lahore was dash kilometer long race? 42. Third international marathon race was held in Lahore on 14th January 2007. Third international marathon race was held in which city of Pakistan? Lahore. From 14 August 2018, maximum generation capacity of Neelam Jhelum hydropower plant is 969 megawatt. Current Minister of State for Interior is in 2018 is शहरयार खान अफरीदी और अगर 2021 की बात की जाए तो शेख रशीद अहमद. Pakistan knockout by which team from Hockey World Cup 2018 on 11 December 2018? Belgium. According to UNICEF report 2018, how many percent of girls in Pakistan got married before reaching the age of 18? 21%. Punjab Health Minister Dr. Yasmin Rashid recently revealed that Pakistani scientists from University of Health Sciences had successfully cloned biological skin. The most urbanized province of Pakistan is Sindh. In the first phase of Thar coal power project, dash of electricity will be generated 660 megawatts. The Free Press Award in the category Most Resilient Journalist is presented to a journalist who has demonstrated extraordinary strength of dash in reporting the news, character, courage and perseverance. Who is Secretary Finance according to 2018? Arif Ahmed Khan. The estimated cost of Peshawar Metro bus is Rs 60 billions. The estimated cost of the Karachi Green Line is 24.6 billions. The National Action Plan announced on 25 December 2014 by Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif is a dash-point counter-terrorism plan. 20th. Governor Sindh Saeeduzzaman Siddiqui, who died on 11 January 2017, had also served as Chief Justice of Pakistan.